Ashley, also known as Simply Ace, coming to you live from my next hotel view. On the right, you'll see this lovely closet space. That space up here, oh, you saw the light come up automatically with an iron board and an iron, 2 robes, hanging space, and down below there are slippers. So this is what's in the closet so far. And yes, the door closes by itself. I'm so fascinated by this. Ah! Then to my left, we're gonna open this door to this lovely bathroom. On the left, you'll see the toilet section with this lovely picture. And then in the center, you'll see his and her sinks with this lovely mirror. You guys, I am fascinated by it. And then on the right, you'll see the shower section. So we're gonna open up. You actually turn and cut on the water on the right side. And then on the left is the actual shower control area. So it's very spacious, if I do say so myself. Then leaving the bathroom, you'll do see this ice bucket with water, complimentary for the elite members here at, I'll go ahead and say, the Hyatt Hotel. And then you have a coffee maker. Underneath, you do have a safe. And then you also have a fridge. Coming on down, past the entranceway, you do actually enter the room. So I'm clearly in the 2 king bedroom downtown view. I'm excited. So right here is 1 queen bed and another queen bed over there for any and all friends who would like to come visit. Excuse me. In the middle section, you do have an alarm clock with a remote in the bag and a phone. And you do have some plug-up space right here in the center. Then we get to that view in a minute. You have another picture space with a lamp and a couch. This couch you can also use for coffee settings or for other friends to come visit and entertain yourselves. Then in the center section, you do have the TV with another phone right underneath. Now for the grand finale of the views, I always love a great view. You have the downtown area. So this is my view. And I'm excited. So this is the Grand Hyatt, you guys, a possible downtown area view. And I hope you enjoy the tour as much as I did. Talk to you guys later. Peace.